Can we bring back our dead? Resurrection is the concept of a living being coming back to life after death. In a number of ancient religions, a life-death rebirth deity is a deity which dies and resurrects. So, is it really possible to bring back the dead? Let's find out. The immortal soul. The soul is believed by some to be the divine and immortal part of the human being, and some believe it is the actual vehicle by which people are resurrected. However, theological debate ensues with regard to what kind of resurrection is factual, either a spiritual resurrection with a spirit body, that is heaven, or a material resurrection with a restored human body. Resurrection of Lazarus. Inside an Egyptian tomb, you can see drawings portraying the world where the dead will be brought back to life. The Egyptians were highly intelligent people who built the Great Pyramids. That makes one think about their belief in the resurrection theory. Bringing the dead back in the ancient religions. The concept of resurrection is found in the writings of some ancient non-Abrahamic religions in the Middle East. A few existing Egyptian and Canaanite writings allude to dying and rising gods such as Osiris and Baal. Sir James Frazer in his book The Golden Bough relates to these dying and rising gods, but many of his examples, according to various scholars, distort the sources. Bringing the dead back in Hinduism. The stories of bringing back the dead have always been around. One can trace the roots to the mythological mention of Lord Ganesha, who was granted life after being beheaded by Lord Shiva. Then there was the story of a Yaksha who first took the lives of the 4 Pandavas and then resurrected them on the request of Yudhishthir. And who can forget the famous story of Savitri and Satyavan, wherein Savitri made Yamraj resurrect her husband. Resurrection in Buddhism. There are stories in Buddhism where the power of resurrection was allegedly demonstrated in Chan or Zen tradition. One is the legend of Bodhidharma, the Indian master who brought the Ekayana school of India to China, that subsequently became Chan Buddhism. The other is the passing of Chinese Chan master Puhua, who was known for his unusual behavior and teaching style, so it is no wonder that he is associated with an event that breaks the usual prohibition on displaying such powers. Resurrection in Christianity. In Christianity, resurrection most critically concerns the resurrection of Jesus, but also includes the resurrection of Judgment Day, known as the resurrection of the dead by those Christians who subscribe to the Nicene Creed, which is the majority of mainstream Christianity, as well as the resurrection miracles done by Jesus and the prophets of the Old Testament. Some churches distinguish between raising the dead, a resumption of mortal life, and a resurrection, the beginning of an immortal life. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.